Hey everyone, here's a quick recording just to show you how to get your file extensions working so you can see them. You're going to go down to your search bar and type in Control Panel. So type on Control Panel or click on it and your Control Panel comes up. I'm just going to expand that totally out. And then what you want to look at is File Explorer options. Pull that open, then go to View. And the one you want to unclick is hide extensions for known file types. This will actually be on when you first get your computer. You should always turn this off. So unclick hide extensions for known file types because then you can see whether you have a .xls or a .dat or a .txt file. You won't be able to see the extension if you don't turn that off. So apply that or say okay, and that should clear up the problem of not being able to see your file extensions.